Hi guys, welcome back to another sweet gist. Yesterday, I posted it here that Juicy J is in Nigeria, and this morning Yvonne posted this on her IG page. For them, this is the gift that Juicy got for her. You know, Juicy got this gift for her, and baby girl came online to just show off a little bit, just a little, and she wrote, "Yo, what a man!" Like, that's the only confirmation I needed that this was from Juicy, because those are his words. What a man. So even though they've decided to keep their relationship private and all, Yvonne is still considering us just a little, just she's just considering us small and just giving us a little our moment. So guys, just make do with what is available, and let's just respect this guy's privacy. Okay, so let's move on to Miracle O. So guys, it may seem as though Miracle OP is on some drugs. I don't know, I'm just saying, but this guy is a very playful somebody. See the way he's even winding his waist. Miracle OP. So he posted this video, I think it was on live yesterday, and then people are like, what could be making Miracle this happy that he's even dancing and tearing his clothes? But me, I know that my guy cannot wait, because yesterday Peleng went on an Instagram live and she revealed that she will soon be in Nigeria. And shortly after that, Miracle was seen dancing on his IG live. So me, I feel like the guy can't wait to have his baby girl around, and he just cannot pretend about it. So he has to let us know that he's happy, okay? And that's okay. It's okay to express yourself. I mean, this life not just once, abi. Okay, so now moving on, there's this gist about Nini and Saga, guys. So some few months back, this picture made its way to the internet, and the rumor has it that Nini and Saga got engaged. They are Big Brother level. Is it? No, I think Pepe Dem Gang's season housemates. Yes, and during their time in the house, Saga loved Nini too. Like, he loved her to stupor, but she was in a relationship, and I think that was the reason why she wasn't really showing her true feelings towards Saga. I think she had something to do with someone outside, so she needed to end that relationship first before jumping onto another one. So anyway, they've been keeping their relationship on a very low key, and then sometime last 2 months the gist came that they got engaged. Then Saga came out to during one of his interviews and debunked the rumor. He said they were not engaged, but a few days later he still came back and said yes, that they are actually engaged, but they want people to like kind of allow them to do their thing privately. They don't want all this social media buzz. But then again, yesterday was Nini's birthday and she celebrated with Sasuke. Yes, she celebrated with Sasuke. It's not Pepe them. This thing was Level Up. I think it was Level Up. Yes, was it Level Up? The set before White Money set. I don't know what they were called. So yesterday was her birthday, and people are just people have just been speculating, because yesterday was her birthday and they didn't see Saga come out publicly to kind of wish her a happy birthday, but then he wished Sasuke, and but he didn't wish Nini. But to me, it's not surprising, because these people want to keep everything about them private. So, but people have been making a buzz out of it, saying that maybe they are no more together, maybe they've called off the engagement, and that's why he's not wishing her a happy birthday. Anyway, trust Twitter people. They made a space. They went on a space yesterday. So crazy fans went on a Twitter space yesterday, organized by Big Love. This Big Love. Anyway, let's hear what they had to say on the Twitter space. They had a lot to say, but let's just listen, guys.
You guys say, oh, private. This is not private. Something is fishy, guys. There's something going on that we don't know. Only Nini and Saga and some white money knows about it. Yes.
And Queen too. Queen will show you about.
Nika Ross might be aware, but she's not going to tell anybody. She will keep it. So if you think maybe because you are following her, she will not tell you. They are aware. So people, guys, think far. Housemaid did not wish them congratulations. Think about it. Everybody go back. Go back. No housemates wish them congratulations.
That is true.
They did not
That is
even post
true.
it. Mm.
That is true, yeah.
Go back.
I think the housemates are aware.
Think.
I mean, Queen did. You know, Queen. Finally, I can say it now. She did.
Queen just did that. It was only Queen. Queen, no. Even White Money that is close to him did not even say congratulations. White Money is close to Nene.
Yeah, true. And even Saga, he's close to Saga.
Nico Rose is close to Saga. No. Something is not right. I think they didn't really engage.
I believe the engagement is. I believe it was real.
Are you sure?
I believe it was real.
I think.
Oh no, that thing is real. That means they said she actually rejected him. She returned that ring that day. And said she didn't want to marry him.
Oh, the same day.
That was it's on the street. So I did not say it. It's on
There was a time. The video, there was a picture of Nini or a video of Nini and she had a ring on, and that was when the first time people speculated that she was engaged. She then posted her fingers.
Her finger that she's not.
So I think she accepted the ring.
Because she didn't want to embarrass him.
She accepted it. Maybe she returned publicly, but she definitely accepted the ring.
They said she didn't want to embarrass him publicly.
But she kissed him.
Oh, that painful. Hey, so Nicholas did not wish happy birthday. What is going on?
Maybe they wait in her DM.
Think. Something is not right.
Let me have a look. Let me check Nico's face.
Something is
But that's weird that Nico didn't wish her happy birthday.
Yes! Not Nico Rose. She did not.
So that's weird.
Something is not right. Nini and Saga. Nigerian physic. I have to think fast, guys. My brain is just working.
Wait, Lord, think for us, think.
Now me the same I talk. Now my turn to talk first.
I am Nigerian physic. Let's hear you.
Then I don't make me this like big love.
Papi.
You know one thing, but good evening first. Mizino. I'm very
Hi, can I go? Oh, wow.
thank you. God bless you.
God bless you too.
You see this thing, there's a lesson we're supposed to learn from this. That you don't push your luck where there is no luck.
Wow.
You don't push your luck when a woman is not into you, and everybody know. Everybody that watched that season knows
But
that
she
Saga.
liked him now. What she did, like.
No, now you didn't see this thing. The energy was coming from Saga, like 100%. She was giving because of pity and all this other things. She was giving like 30%. I'm talking to you. That anybody here that watched that film.
There is another gist, though. I didn't it's not me.
Big love.
Chris said it. They said that store that Nini opened. It was that guy that did it for her.
Which guy?
The guy she's dating now. That is Saga. That it was the guy that opened the store. That's why she keeps hiding Sagas and her relationship. She don't want anybody to know that they're dating. That's she wants to have a house in Banana Island.
Thank you. Big love. You know on the show, like I was saying on the show.
Me, I did not say it. The street said it. That
I know you did that. So you know what, big love, on the show. People do not understand. Like I keep saying this when I talk to a woman, and the energy she gave me from day one, day two, when the woman does not like you, and it takes you time, because everybody on national TV, they were showing that it was sad that I was into the relationship. He was doing moo up and down. You go here, follow, you go that. Like everybody was seeing it, and now this girl have her own target, even on the show. But those men she wanted did not come close to her, and she was keeping herself somehow. Even to embrace Saga 100%, Nini had never, even when they asked him on the show. asked her on the show, she kept on saying that, we don't know, like, she is not even respect the guy at all. How can someone engage you? How can someone engage you?
Only Saga will be addressing your relationship, and you just keep mute.
Because
And you guys are not thinking something is not fishy.
There's something fishy. She's not into the guy, and she has these big guys with big balls there that want to, because she's a, let's say it, whether she her skin and the way she
babe now.
She's a fine babe, right? And Saga now was pushing his dog. You don't push your
So
dog
are you
when there's
saying
no
that
dog, my
he's
guy.
punching above his weight? Because Kanaga, I don't know this one you are saying.
Yes, that's what I'm saying with my two chest. That's what I'm saying. You know your size in this world. Know your size. You understand?
No.
Saga is not
that bad.
I didn't say it before. When a woman is not into you, right? You understand? Saga is a full package, but it's not full package to the pocket that Nini wants. Nini have her own target.
Does it matter?
It matters to women, to ladies like that, because they're chasing clown. They're in competition with other people. But you don't know this guy genuinely love you. This guy is in love with you 100%. I can tell you that Saga can take a bullet for me.
Yes, sir.
Even till now.
Yes.
You understand? Yes. That's genuine love right there. That's a man that loves woman 100%. Then you keep on showing this guy. Showing he quarreled with everybody. He sidelined himself because of you on the show. Everybody was looking at him as if he's free. He accepted it with his full chest. And then after the show, you continue the same thing you're doing on the show. That people were looking at. That's why the house made drop again. Those housemate know that there's nothing really going on there.
I know the housemate actually said that.
They might be dating, though, but see, they might be dating. And I think Lily still will be doing waka waka movements.
Not the workers, you don't get this guy's key.
Hey, God. How do you do
Something
that?
is fishy, guys. Nobody should come and tell me. Big love, and they've not been talking since. They are very sick. Please, this